How to clean your dishwasher in 3 easy steps. You won't believe how easy these are. I promise I'll make it easy and quick for you. Open up the dishwasher, remove the bottom tray. That's where all the action is. Now down here, this is where all the food particles collect. So this is from the last wash. You can see rice and old food particles. So you want to remove this strainer, this food strainer. And that's going to be the source of a lot of your smells and nastiness inside. And then you're simply just going to rinse this out, get all the nastiness out. There's a lot of food in there. Over time, this is the cause of your odor and your smelliness. So hot water, rinse it. You can use soap as needed. It's actually pretty easy. So you want to do this from time to time. Okay, on to step 2, and everybody forgets this one. The door seals, these rubber seals, these get caked on with dried food particles. Look at this side over here. With the dried food over time, it actually gets sticky and will start to smell. So if you don't wipe it down and clean it periodically, you will get an odor. And also, I've seen them so bad that they actually caused a leak in the dishwasher while running. So you want to keep these seals clean and clear. By the way, if you haven't bought Scrub Daddies yet, check the video link description down below. These are magical sponges that never smell or get moldy like old-fashioned sponges. Check these out. You'll be surprised. Okay, we're all ready for step 3. You won't believe how easy this is. So remember to put your food strainer back in after it's cleaned out. So in this model, you put it down. This is a Bosch dishwasher, and you simply turn it to where the black triangles meet, and it's secured down and tight there. For step 3, the final process, you're probably thinking some kind of expensive, harsh cleaning chemical and get in there with all that elbow grease and scrubbing. Forget that. Buy yourself some white vinegar. The manufacturer even says this should be done from time to time to properly clean all the inside portions of the dishwasher, the pumps, the jets, the seals, the gaskets, everything. This would do the trick without you having to scrub. Open your top rack, put a bowl in there as long as it's a dishwasher safe container. So that could be a coffee mug, a glass bowl, in this case a measuring cup is dishwasher safe. And you want approximately 1 cup of white vinegar. And you're just going to gently slide that back in. At this time, we could go ahead and put back in our lower rack if we want to. So the only thing that's in here now is the white vinegar. Turn on your dishwasher. Make sure it's on a heated setting. You do want it to get hot for this process. Go ahead and hit start. Your dishwasher is as good as clean. Let it run through the full cycle. You don't have to do anything else. Doing this a couple times a year will keep your dishwasher smelling good, clean, and fresh. Hey, I know that you can do this yourself.